It's very important, not only to determine and to represent you for the amount of damage that you've suffered, that is the injuries that you've suffered, but also in motorcycle cases particularly, the insurance companies for the at-fault driver are prone to blaming everything on the motorcycle rider. It is important that we find the motorcycle experts, that is maybe who've run motorcycles at the Bonneville Salt Flats or who build motorcycles, to come in, help us to present your case to an insurance company or to a jury.